Friends, welcome to Vijay Chemistry. In this video, I am going to discuss about trick to find out number of sigma and pi bonds to in the open chain compounds. Okay, so in the open chain compounds, how to find out number of sigma and pi bonds. So to calculate this number of sigma and pi bonds by writing the structure and by counting the number of sigma and pi bonds, it will take the plenty of time in the examination. So to save the time in examination, we will use a small shortcut formula to find the number of sigma and pi bonds. So those are number of sigma bonds is equals to number of sigma bonds. That formula that is nothing but x minus 1. Here x is equals to number of atoms in molecule. Number of atoms in molecule. Okay, now the formula for the number of pi bonds, number of pi bonds is equals to two n plus 2 minus number of hydrogen atoms divided with 2. Here n is equals to number of carbon atoms. N is equals to number of carbon atoms. Right? We will go with the examples. So we have two formulas, that is nothing but which one? Number of sigma bonds, that is x minus 1. Number of pi bonds, that is 2n plus 2 minus number of hydrogens divided with 2. And if I take the examples one by one, I am taking here methane. If I take the methane, and according to the formula, number of sigma bonds how much? That is equals to number of atoms is 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. And number of pi bonds if you calculate, that is 0 only. If you see based upon this formula, 2n plus 2, n equal number of carbon atoms. So if the n equal number of carbon atoms, 4 minus 4 by 2, we will get the 0. Okay, right. And if by this methane, you can calculate by seeing the structure also. This is the structure of the methane. So this is having 4 sigma bonds. And the next one I am taking C2H6. C2H6. And if you calculate number of sigma bonds, so total number of atoms are 8 minus 1, that is equals to 7. You can see by drawing the structure also. This is the structure of the C2H6. And if you see the number of sigma bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We are having 7 sigma bonds. And if you see the number of pi bonds here, number of pi bond structure nothing but 2 into n plus 2. So 2 into here number of carbon atoms are 2 only, plus 2 minus number of hydrogens are 6 divided with 2. So we can get the 0. Next one I am taking as an example C2H4. If you see this example, number of sigma bonds is equals to total number of atoms are 6 minus 1, that is equals to 5. And calculate the number of pi bonds. Number of pi bonds is equals to 2 into 2 plus 2 minus number of hydrogen atoms are 4 divided with 2. So we can get the number of pi bonds are 1. This you can see by drawing the structure also. The structure of C2H4 is nothing but this one. That is the between the carbon and carbon we are having double bond. And this is the structure of the C2H4. So here we are having 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. So one double bond nothing but which one? Double bond is nothing but 1 sigma and 1 pi. And next one I am taking as an example acetic acid. And tell me here what is the number of sigma bonds? Total number of atoms are how much here? 4 and 4. Total is 8. Yes or no? So number of sigma bonds is equals to 8 minus 1, that is equals to 7. And number of pi bonds is equals to, here number of carbon atoms are 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 minus number of hydrogen atoms are 4 divided with 2. So we can get the one is the number of pi bonds. So you can observe this one by drawing the structure also. This is the structure of acetic acid. Look at this one. Here having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here it is having 7. So 7 sigma bonds are there and 1 pi bond is there. And next one I am taking as an example dimethyl ether I am taking. CH3O CH3. And calculate number of sigma bonds. Number of sigma bonds is equals to total number of atoms are 9. 9 minus 1. So sigma bonds is equals to 8. And pi bonds is 0. If you see how it is, pi bonds is equals to here 2 and number of carbon atoms are 2 plus 2 minus number of hydrogen atoms are 6 divided with 2. So we can get the 0 is the number of pi bonds. You can observe this one by drawing the structure also. This is the structure of the dimethyl ether. So here we are having 8 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, I am taking example, the very common example, very important example, frequently asking in the examination, that is tetracyanoethylene molecule. C2 CN taken 4 times. And tell me what is the total number of atoms. So number of sigma bonds is equals to what? Number of atoms minus 1. Here total number of atoms are 6 carbon atoms are there. Yes or no? So here 2, here it is 4 and 4 nitrogen atoms are there. Total 10. 10 minus 1 and number of sigma bonds is equals to 9. And next one, number of pi bonds is equals to 2 into number of carbon atoms are 6 plus 2 and number of hydrogen atoms are 0 divided with 2. And number of pi bonds is equals to 7. And this you can observe by drawing the structure also. The structure of C2 CN4 is this way. C double bond C, C triple bond N, C triple bond N, C triple bond N and C triple bond N. And if you count the number of sigma bonds, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the number of sigma bonds. If you count the number of pi bonds here we are having 2. Here we are having 2. Here we are having 2 pi bonds. Here 1 pi bond is there. Here we are having 2 pi bonds. Here we are having 2 pi bonds. So total number of pi bonds are 7. Next one I am taking as an example. CH2 double bond CHCOOH. And if you count the number of sigma bonds in here, sigma bonds equals to, just count the number of total atoms. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Total is 9. 9 minus 1. And number of sigma bonds is equals to 8. And number of pi bonds how much? Total number of carbon atoms are 3. 2 into 3 plus 2 divided with 2 and minus number of hydrogen atoms. Total number of hydrogen atoms here it is 4. And pi bonds is equals to 2 we can get. This you can observe by drawing the structure also. This is the structure of this one. Carbon with 2 single bonds here, here double bond, here carbon with hydrogen and carbon connected with the oxygen is oxygen OH. And if you count the number of sigma bonds are 8 and number of pi bonds are 2. Next, another example I am taking here, that is another acid compound CH3CH2 CHCOOH and CH3, and number of sigma bonds is equals to, just count the total number of atoms. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 minus 1. So number of sigma bonds is equals to 14 and number of pi bonds is equals to, and total number of carbon atoms are 5 into 2 plus 2 minus number of hydrogen atoms are how much? 5 plus 5 10 divided with 2. Total pi bonds is equals to 1. So this way you can calculate the number of sigma and pi bonds in the compounds. Thank you.